The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most advanced flagship smartphones in the upcoming generation. It's expected to feature a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate and improved brightness for better outdoor visibility. Powering the device will likely be the next-gen Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage configurations ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, ensuring top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and productivity. One of its standout features is expected to be a cutting-edge quad camera system, headlined by a 200MP main sensor, alongside ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses capable of impressive optical zoom and advanced AI enhancements for photography and video. The S Pen, a hallmark of Samsung's Ultra models, is rumored to get a major design refresh, possibly with magnetic side attachment and better gesture support, hinting at Samsung aligning its hardware design with user convenience and a sleeker aesthetic. Battery life should see a solid upgrade too, with a rumored 7,000 mAh capacity and support for both ultra-fast wired charging and improved wireless charging speeds. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in early 2026, likely around February or March, following Samsung's traditional release cycle. Pricing is projected to start at approximately $1,299, placing it squarely in the premium flagship tier. While these details are based on leaks and early industry speculation, more accurate information will surface as the official announcement approaches.